Understanding the European Commission. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're exploring a term that often pops up in news, discussions about politics, and even economics: the European Commission. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about global affairs, understanding what the European Commission is and its role can be incredibly insightful. So, let's unravel this together. The European Commission is a pivotal institution within the European Union, EU, which comprises 27 European countries committed to working together for peace and prosperity. It plays a crucial role in the EU's functioning, acting essentially as the EU's executive arm. This means it is responsible for proposing legislation, implementing decisions, upholding the EU treaties, and managing the day-to-day business of the EU. Think of it as the government for the entire European Union, but instead of dealing with just one country's affairs, it manages policies and agreements that affect multiple countries across Europe. The European Commission has a wide array of responsibilities, but we can boil them down to a few key functions. 1. Proposing legislation. The Commission is the only body that can propose laws for the EU, which cover areas like environmental protection, consumer rights, and transport. 2. Enforcing laws. It ensures that EU laws are correctly applied in all member states, acting somewhat like a referee to ensure fair play. 3. Managing EU policies and budget. The Commission is responsible for drafting and implementing EU policies and managing its budget. It oversees areas such as agriculture, trade, and innovation. 4. Representing the EU internationally. On issues like trade, aid, and the environment, the Commission speaks and negotiates on behalf of the EU with other countries and international organizations. The European Commission is made up of commissioners, one from each EU member state, including its president. Each commissioner is in charge of specific policy areas, similar to ministers in national governments. The President of the Commission sets the overall policy agenda and is supported by vice presidents who handle major policy areas like the Green Deal or the digital single market. This structure ensures that the Commission can address a wide range of issues, from climate change to digital innovation, reflecting the diverse interests and needs of the EU's member states. The European Commission is a cornerstone of the European Union, driving forward policies and laws that shape the future of Europe. It's fascinating to see how this institution works to balance the interests of different countries, pushing for a united yet diverse Europe. We hope this video has shed some light on the significance and functions of the European Commission. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explainer helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content like this. See you in the next video.